TCB Naturals. I forgot my father Christmas headband. Now I have to go and get it. Can you imagine? Hi guys, so it's Vlogmas day 2. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's because the house is full of people, but it's Vlogmas day 2, and today I'm going to be on unboxing. I'm going to be unraveling. Anyway, I'm going to be on really? I have no idea what happened, but the summary is that I got a PR package from TCB Naturals, and it came in this beautiful see-through bag. You can see all the products inside. They included a jotter for me, and on the other side I would show you, but it's my address, so I'm going to quickly take this out. I wanted to leave it in to show you guys that they actually added my address to that so that it can be delivered right. So I got this beautiful see-through bag from TCB Naturals. This is what the bag looks like. So I'm going to be taking out the products in this bag one by one and showing it to you. So basically this is an unboxing video. So they included a cute note here. It's an extensive note, but it says, "Hello sunshine, you are reading this because you have been carefully selected to be gifted our TCB Naturals product bag. We noticed your work on Instagram and we think you absolutely shine." That I do. And then it goes on to say, "We want to help you have that hair that lets you shine every day, so we are sharing our brand new products line of TCB Naturals." It's a brand new products line. "We hope that you love each of the products, which has been specially crafted to help you #shine in the moment for all that life brings your way." My god, that's so sweet. And then it goes on to say, "We'd love it if you share great reviews of your TCB Naturals hair care experience with family, friends and social media followers." That I will definitely do. I don't want to stay. Anybody I review products for always gets a shout out from me, a recommendation, referrals. I always direct people to your brand. In fact, it's like I carry your matter on my head because I'm like that. And the only time this does not happen is if your products were not worth it, and actually that happens like 1 out of 10 times. So guys, this is a personal call for you guys to send me your hair products. Forget the wig. I have beautiful hair. You can just check all my videos. You see my hair. I just wore the wig because I'm feeling it. So guys, you can go ahead and send me all your products for reviews, and then I'll definitely post and hype your products. And please let your products be quality. I only deal in quality and excellence. So the note goes on to say, "Remember to curate your product journey as often as you can." Exactly. Preferably using the hashtags Shine in the Moment and TCB Naturals NG. Okay. Also, please share your experience with us by tagging us on Instagram at tcbnaturals.ng. We hope you enjoy these products as much as we do. Keep shining. Best, Adebola Adelakun, brand manager, Wet Hair. That was really nice to read. So this is the notes. I'm gonna set that aside, and they have these 2 cute goodies. I have no idea what this thing is. I don't know. It looks like a sticker sha. So there are 2 here, and I think both of them are similar. Please, if you know what this is for, kindly let me know in the comments. I have no idea what this is. Is it a sticker? I think it's a sticker, maybe for attaching your phone or something, but I'm going to figure it out. Or you guys kindly let me know in the comments what you think it is. So now into the main. Okay, there is a jotter here. I'm definitely going to be using this to document my hair journey. I'll share you this. It's really cute. I'm going to take it out for you guys to see. So it has their products on it here, and it's spiral bound, and it's hardcover, by the way, and it's empty. So this is going to come in handy for me. I write a lot. Oh, and the jumper says hair that lets you shine. I think that's really a good message, by the way. So I'm going to go into the product. Now the papers are out of the bag and you can see the products through. They sent me 8 products in total. I'm going to start with this because this is the one I'm not going to use. I'm sorry, TCB. This is a relaxer kit. So it's a relaxer and it says no base cream relaxer with natural oils, protein and DNA. Ultra nourishing protection. And it's attached to it is a little shampoo. And the shampoo actually says with color indicator. So it's a neutralizing shampoo with color indicator. I'm definitely not going to use this because I have no plans of relaxing my hair ever again. So I'm not going to use this. I'm going to do a small giveaway or just give it to my roommate who has relaxed hair or something. So this came in the package, and then this also came in the package. This is their herbal pomade with coconut oil and aloe, and it says scalp soothing conditioner. So this is supposed to be herbal. It smells herbal. It smells like coconut oil mixed with herbs. Actually, this is how those products smell. It's manufactured by Godrej Nigeria Limited, plot 2A Ayodele Dian Street off Ladipo Oluwole Avenue, Ikeja Industrial Estates. So it's manufactured in Nigeria. It's made in Nigeria. I just want to quickly say that I love the packaging of all the products. The packages are shiny, the containers are all shiny, and there is an indication of the quantity per container. So for the relaxer kit, it's 14.1 ounce or 400 grams, and for the small shampoo it's 40 grams or 1.3 ounces. So, and then for the herbal pomade, this is a 250 ml or 212 gram container. It's really nice. I could definitely reuse all of these. And then the products go ahead to have the batch number. The batch number is the batch of products manufactured, the number for the batch of products manufactured, and then it has the manufacture date, and then it has the expiry date, which is 10/24. I think that's October 2024. And I'm looking for the NAFDAC registration number. Okay, it's right here. So for products made in Nigeria, the NAFDAC registration number shows that your products have been cleared and they are okay to be used by human beings. They've been tested and they are trusted to be used on human beings, by humans, on their bodies, on their hair, or whatever type of products you produce accordingly. So this is the herbal pomade. They also sent me the TCB Naturals Anti-Dandruff Hair Food with coconut oil and menthol. So in this video, I'm simply unboxing and showing you guys the products, but as I use the products in subsequent videos, I'm going to explain more about each product to you and, you know, what each product is supposed to do. So this is also 250 ml and 212 grams. I'm just happy. Like, okay, this one is actually more sealed. It's sealed more than this one is. I'm going to show you guys this later, but it says coconut oil and menthol. And this is for anti-dandruff. This is herbal pomade. So look at the similarity in the two. This one has particles and this one doesn't have any particles. So also for ingredients, I'm going to address that in the next video that I do showing the use of the product. So I've done 3, and then the next 2, this is their Indian herbs hair food with castor oil, and it says underneath hair and scalp conditioner. Let me see if I can open this one. Okay. I like. So far, all the products that I am seeing, this is also the 250/212 grams jar, and so is this one. All the products that I'm seeing are really colorful and they smell really good. This one smells like petroleum jelly though. This is nourishing hair food with lanolin, vitamin E, and protein. And petroleum jelly is one of the ingredients, but that's not a problem, I guess. So we have this. Oh, we have this. I love the colorfulness. Look at this. This is yellow, this is green, and then okay, these two are white, but there is a little difference. So these are the 4 oils they sent me. All of the products they sent me are oils, except the leave-in conditioning treatment. And then we have the leave-in conditioning treatment, which has TCB Naturals inscribed on it, and they said leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil, intense moisture therapy. Okay, so this is the 550 ml bottle, or the 18.5 or the 18.59 fluid ounce bottle, and look at how pretty it is. It smells good, it looks creamy, and I cannot wait to use it. Quite frankly, I'm always excited to try new products, isn't everyone? And then we have the 3 oil Sheen Spray. So the 3 oils are olive oil, argan oil, and coconut oil. Wow, it's like their entire line has coconut oil in all of the products. Wow, I love that. I'm a huge fan of coconut oil, and seeing that, okay, this one does not have coconut oil. This is the only one that does not have coconut oil. Why? Anyway, it doesn't matter. So that's nice. Okay, I'm definitely going to use this. I always have a problem with oil sheens smelling like oil sheens and nothing fancy, but this actually smells really nice. So this is their 3 oil Sheen Spray, and it contains olive oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and it boosts natural shine and adds extra conditioning to hair. So those are all the products that they sent me. The bag is really cute, and I don't mind using it as a carrier bag for 1 or 2 things. I just want to quickly say that they did not send me a shampoo and conditioner, except for this mini shampoo they added here for the relaxer, which quite frankly won't be enough for my hair if I were to use it. But they did not include a shampoo and conditioner, and I actually went online to check if they have a shampoo and conditioner, and I actually saw that they do. But I'm thinking that maybe this new hairline does not have a shampoo and conditioner, or maybe they forgot to include it or something. But basically that's about all the products that they sent me, and like I said, a girl cannot wait to use it. Please guys, if you do not know who TCB Naturals are, or you've never heard of them, now you have. And one of the things I want to commend them for is their product packaging. I like all the packages. I love the fact that the packages are shiny, they are not boring colors, and even if they are brown, the products themselves are colorful, so you will not feel, how would I call it, you won't feel tired looking at the products. So that is a plus for me, and I'm hoping the products themselves are also really pleasing to use. But for now, that's about it. I'm going to go downstairs and do a really quick product shoot for these, and I'm going to attach those pictures here and there so that you guys can see what they look like when I snap them. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget, it's still Vlogmas. Go ahead and leave a comment in relation, and please give this video a thumbs up to help me with engagement. Also, let me know what styles you'd like me to do with these products. I'm open to style suggestions because I've not yet made up my mind. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, comment, thumbs up, and share. Bye guys, see you in my next vlog.